XRP has been pumping massively in the past few weeks. Let's discuss it. It's 2021 and as we can all see, the cryptocurrency market is in the full force of its current bull run. Amazing gains are being made all over the space, with all-time high after all-time high being set for almost every single crypto. The whole cryptocurrency market cap is currently at around $2 trillion, which is roughly double what it was this time last month, and it doesn't seem like things are going to stop anytime soon. It's incredible that this could happen, as previously it took a number of years to double the market cap of cryptocurrency from 500 billion to 1 trillion, but only a matter of months to double it from $1 to $2 trillion. This exponential movement of the market is the main reason to be so bullish this year, as huge gains are likely going to be made as trillions more dollars pump into the crypto space as time goes on. The bull run will most likely continue for another 6 months or so, according to the Golden Bull Cycle Ratio, which predicts the lengths of bull markets based on the distance of time between the bear market, the Bitcoin halving and the subsequent bull run. XRP has recently been on a big run up due to the positive news about the lawsuit that they are facing, and it seems very likely that they are going to continue its upwards momentum as time goes on. Smart investors will very likely be taking profits on the way up and on the way down in this market, in order to minimize the risk to their investments should the market turn against them. At some point the bull market will end because it can't go on forever. However, the data suggests that there is still around 6 months left of the bull market remaining, meaning there is still a good amount of time to make some great gains in the cryptocurrency space, especially with altcoins. Today we're taking a look at XRP, what's going on with the recent price action, and what prices that XRP could realistically hit this year. Make sure to watch the video till the end for all the essential information. This is not financial advice and is for entertainment purposes only. We always stress that you do your own due diligence. Please like and subscribe for daily videos and hit the bell icon to turn on all notifications. YouTube does gatekeep some cryptocurrency content, so to get access to this time-sensitive information immediately, make sure to turn on all notifications. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be posting there more regularly with weekly and monthly coin calls and also in-depth research of more obscure altcoins, so if that's something you're interested in, please check it out. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. All of the news about XRP currently seems to be focused around the SEC lawsuit that they are currently embroiled in. In December 2020, the SEC decided to file a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, the creator of XRP and its ledger, saying that they sold XRP as unregistered securities back in 2013 during the inception and creation of the project. At the time, the price of XRP was steadily starting to rise in conjunction with the first major pumps in the market of the bull run, with it hitting at around 70 cents per token at the time. But news of the lawsuit caused the price to drop massively back into the 18 to 20 cent range for some time. This suppressed price continued for some months as more and more information started to come out about the lawsuit against Ripple Labs, and whether or not they would be successful in defending themselves effectively against the SEC. After the initial fear in the market had died down, many analysts and community members started to look at the details of the lawsuit as time went on, and a lot of especially interesting facts started to come out which pointed to less than above board practice by the SEC. For instance, if the SEC truly believed that Ripple Labs had sold XRP as an unregistered security in 2013, it doesn't stand to reason why they would wait so long to file the lawsuit against Ripple Labs, especially considering that their primary slogan for the lawsuit was to protect investors from losing money. After the lawsuit was filed, investors lost 70% of the value of their assets in a matter of days after the announcement, but the SEC made no comment about this phenomenon whatsoever. Another coincidence which seems extremely strange, or most likely not a coincidence whatsoever, is that the former SEC chair Clayton actually filed the lawsuit on his last day in office, despite being in the position for 3 years, and left without having to bear any of the consequences of his actions. This seems extremely strange because if he is truly believed in the case, then why would he file the motion and then leave? The fact that he decided to put the lawsuit against Ripple and then leave is very telling of his general disposition about the facts presented in the lawsuit, and considering he had years to file the lawsuit against Ripple and chose to do it on his last day does not add credence to the validity of the case whatsoever. Further news about the case came out recently during the hearings of the lawsuit that the SEC had actually already referred to XRP in a previous document from 2018 as a digital currency, rather than a security of which they're trying to label XRP now. There are many inconsistencies with the logic of the SEC, and from all the evidence presented so far, it's becoming more and more likely that the lawsuit against Ripple Labs is just a cash grab by the SEC, who are trying to scare Ripple into settling the lawsuit and taking a slap on the wrist. As time has gone on, more and more positive news for Ripple Labs has been coming out about the case as it continues to develop in court, and the judges seem to be managing the case very seriously, rather than dismissing it as an easy and obvious win for the SEC. So far, the SEC has failed to convince anyone that XRP was actually sold as unregistered securities in 2013, and the judge seems increasingly favourable of Ripple Labs' defence that XRP has always been a digital currency, not securities or shares of a company as the SEC believes. The ideal scenario for Ripple and XRP holders is that the case is resolved quickly with a settlement, and the benefits of this to XRP holders could be massive. XRP would be the first digital currency with true regulatory clarity, opening up trillions of dollars of investment with top institutions all around the world. Settling or winning the case would be huge bullish news for the price of XRP, with it likely running up massive amounts because of this. The price has already been running up in anticipation of a Ripple Labs victory on these terms, and the news coming out of the trial seems more and more positive for Ripple as time goes on. XRP is an asset which has been performing extremely well in the past year or so, despite the suppression of the price by the SEC lawsuit. The price took a dive because of the lawsuit, but has more recently recovered off of the back of positive news coming out about the case all the time. It's up around 7x from the lows of March 2020, running from a price of around 20 cents to $1.40 in recent days, before a likely pullback into the 120 range in the next week or so to consolidate. XRP has broken recent highs and bullish momentum is likely to continue for the cryptocurrency in coming months, as the lawsuit looks as though it's turning in favour of Ripple Labs. It's easy to imagine that XRP can continue to run, as its price is still not in line with the rest of the cryptocurrency space in terms of average gains, but is still lagging behind, and the all-time high price of around $4 has not even been half reached yet for the crypto. In the 2017 bull run, XRP had some of the best gains overall in the whole space, and if it replicated the kinds of gains it saw in the previous bull run, XRP could easily hit $50 to $100 this year. This would likely give it a market cap in the trillions of dollars, which seems very unfeasible for retail investment alone. However, with regulatory clarity, XRP could see massive adoption for its use case of cross-border payments, and also taking over Nostro accounts, which are valued at around $27 trillion alone. With so much to be bullish on, the excitement is building for XRP again ahead of the verdict on the lawsuit, and it seems likely that Ripple could achieve victory or settle very soon. The technical analysis for XRP is currently looking very bullish for the project. When the lawsuit was filed in December, the price dropped from around 70 cents to around 20 cents, but since then has been steadily rising and breaking points of resistance in the following months. The bullish macro trend of the bull market was likely the cause of XRP to rise slowly. As more bullish news came out from the lawsuit, XRP broke out of periods of consolidation recently to break above the 60-cent mark, and has since ran to $1.40 before its correction. It's likely the bullish momentum for XRP will continue, and it's challenging all-time highs all the time. Recently, a small cup and handle formation saw the price break out to the upside and continue its momentum, and there are currently no more resistance points on the chart to suggest that XRP will not go higher in the short term. Whilst the run may start to become overextended as momentum increases, the only major point of resistance is the all-time high from 2018 of almost $4, and if the psychological $2 to $3 mark can be broken in the next month or so, the growth of XRP could likely continue. The price has been suppressed, and the sentiment in the market and formation of the charts shows strong bullish momentum, as it's finally breaking out of a 3-year ranging motion sustained through the bear market, and if XRP can break its all-time high of around $4 or so in the next month, it could see a price of $10 in the following month or beyond, especially with other bullish news. The fundamentals of XRP are amazing, and with regulatory clarity from the SEC lawsuit, it could see massive adoption for its main use case, which is cross-border payments. XRP is an exceptionally well-made cryptocurrency token with a very specific functionality. XRP's speed and utility make it a tailor-made choice for banks to adopt as a replacement for the current SWIFT payment system. SWIFT is a legacy system of the financial world created 30 so years ago, and is far outdated in terms of its technology compared to almost all other aspects of the world. When you look even at the technology provided by the cryptocurrency space, there is a huge gulf in terms of quality, utility, and speed of the transactions. SWIFT payments often have huge fees, sometimes as high as 10 to 20% for cross-border payments, which require conversions between different currencies. They can sometimes take weeks to clear and sometimes don't even clear at all. The SWIFT payment system really encapsulates everything that is wrong with the current centralized finance system, as users are at the mercy of companies that have their own best interests in mind. There have been numerous cases of banks choosing to freeze the accounts of those receiving payments, especially from the crypto exchanges, and this just shows that companies really do have all the power, and that quite often your money is not actually your own. These kinds of problems are extremely frustrating for customers, and XRP is attempting to alleviate some of these issues. When XRP is adopted by banks fully, it will usher in a new level of global payment, where transactions are virtually free and instantaneous. These benefits would likely trickle down to consumers who are still using the banks as well, which shows the clear use case for banks and consumers alike. When taking a look at all of this, it's easy to be very bullish on XRP in the short and long term. If XRP can achieve its true use case, which is massive adoption from banks all around the world for cross-border payments, it seems very likely that it could have a price target per token in the hundreds or thousands of dollars in the next 5 to 10 years. The current run-up in the bull run is largely due to retail investment alone and hype, and this could propel XRP into the $10 to $20 range in the next year or so. But long term, things start to look very interesting for XRP, especially with regulatory clarity coming to the crypto space very soon, which would make it the first regulated cryptocurrency. The institutional investment could flood in after this fact as a result, and it's easy to imagine that XRP could reach a price of $10 to $20 this year if the lawsuit is resolved in short order, and could even hit as high as $50 per token if it's gripped by true euphoria at the peak of the bull run. These sorts of gains were already made by XRP in 2017, with it being one of the best performing assets in the entire cryptocurrency space in that time in terms of percentage gains. In the longer term, if it's adopted for its use case, there is no reason to suggest that XRP can't reach into the hundreds of dollars, or thousands if it's adopted for its use case, which is cross-border payments. With Nostro Vostro accounts being valued at 27 trillion, that would already give XRP a price per token of around $300 each, with a massive valuation. If Ripple can get a good result from the lawsuit, in the short term XRP could easily break its all-time high and head to $10 and beyond as a result. So what are your thoughts on XRP? Do you like the project, and what is your price prediction for them in 2021 and beyond? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, as we'd be interested to hear your ideas about the price action of XRP in the future. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, where you can get access to our private Discord. Currently only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more, so please hit the big red button. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.